Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the masking tool in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in Lightroom it opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After selecting a picture and after it loads, from the bottom bar we have to select masking here in the left side. Now, masking basically does the following thing. It creates a separate editing layer from the background of the image, which you can edit and set different metrics specifically. So for example, if I create a separate layer, create a mask for the subject of this image, which is this flower and my hand, then I can set the saturation level and the exposure level of that part of the image separately from the other parts of the image. So you just tap on plus here and select one of these options. If you tap on select subject, it's going to select the subject of the image. It takes some time, but after it is done, you can follow with editing your pictures. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.